Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we'll make a custom gratitude sign using our CNC router. I was approached a couple of days ago to make a custom gratitude sign for an office of one of my customers. Now what this will actually do is go on the floor. That's why you have these offsets here. And there's an offset for the other reason is it's going to hold up a cork board right off the wall. So it's a way to, you're not going to bend down and go to the bottom of the cork board when it's in an office setting. So the best thing that you can do is actually have a sign at the bottom of it. It's wasted space anyways. Then above that you have the cork board. Now of course we're not doing the cork board, we're just doing the bottom part of the sign. The material here is 3/4 inch furniture grade maple plywood. So it's really solid. It doesn't have that many voids. All plywood has a little bit of voids here and there, but that's why you pay the premium, so that you don't have voids everywhere across the material. Now the maple, what you'll know about maple is that it's a very light color. So this was actually stained to look like cherry. So it's a way to save money because you're making cheaper wood look like something that's more expensive, by also creating a really nice look and contrast to it. I think just having the maple without the stain would just look, it would just blend in with the office. But this looks really amazing to me. I really like the color of it. And inside of here, you can see some black lettering. That was actually a last minute decision by the customer. We already cut this all out. And then they said, well, maybe we should do some lettering in the back. Instead of having, you could see all the way through it, which is how the original design was. And I thought that was a fantastic idea. So what we have behind here is painted MDF that's in the back, and it just goes all the way across. Now the thing that makes this unique is that this is actually a hinge design, as you can see here. So it actually folds right up, so it's very easy to transport. And again, for shipping, it's fantastic because we get away with a smaller package. I found in the past that sending out big things like this here sometimes is a hit and miss with the postman, but if it's a smaller package, more compact, it gets there fantastically. Now this I might actually look kind of small on the camera. It's because I'm closer to the camera than the sign is, and I'm not like right next to it. The length of this overall sign is actually 50 inches, which is a lot of centimeters and even more millimeters. And it's 17 inches high. The offset this way is roughly 5 on each side. Again, it just depends on what angle you have it. So when it comes to a custom sign like this, we can actually make it any size, any shape, any material. So let's say you wanted something like this here made out of stainless steel. We can do that for you just as easily as what you see here. Now I realize that most offices have nowhere near as much equipment as I have here in the shop. So something I always keep in mind is assembly. The last thing you want to do is get a sign that is something like this here, and then you got to tell the office, well, we got to buy a drill, we got to buy this, we got to buy that, and we got to put some glue and all that kind of stuff. Well, I spent 10 years making interlocking toys that you can visit at CNCKing.com. That's sort of a portfolio of stuff I did, in my past life before starting CNCRI.com. So that experience really helped me a lot. This is relatively simple design. And you can see here, this just raises right up. It comes right off. So again, it's very easy in an office environment to set it up. It's very easy to carry to the office because of the hinge, and it ships wonderfully. So if you're looking for a custom sign, interior, exterior, in the office, at home, whatever, on the wall, contact me at CNCRI.com. We can literally make any design out of any material, any shape, any size, and we can make it to spec as well. So if you want a whole series of these, this one is gratitude, of course, but if you wanted some other sayings on it, that's not a problem. You're not locked into any one design parameter with my company. Contact us at CNCRI.com. We'll make it and ship it right to your door.